Yo boys, before this video starts, if you would like the chance of winning a promo code on Rain worth 10 coins, all you have to do is like this video and comment your Discord name. Now I'm gonna draw two people from last video. First one is N_PG, and the second winner of 10 coins is going to be Tricky CS. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We are once again back on Rain.gg. We have 1000 coins to play with today. And before we get into this video, if you yourself want to play on Rain, don't forget to head over to deposit. Always play under code Vaulty and hit apply. If you do so, you will automatically join our 700 coin weekly leaderboard, and you will also get a 5% deposit bonus on all your deposits. And don't miss our Kick streams. We are live 7 days a week, every single day on Kick, doing viewer callouts and free battles, so don't miss that out. Let's get straight into the video. I also saw that they added, so now you can cancel battles, so if you fuck up and do a wrong battle, you can just cancel it now. You couldn't do that before. So hopefully we have some luck today and can start the video off with a good hit on these 1%ers. I mean, any hit on any of these cases is pretty much guaranteed money back, so if we see at least one hit here. Okay, we almost had the first one there. 5 cases left now, come on. We need to see one spin here at least. Global cases. Come on, don't do this. 221 coins is a lot, so I don't want to lose everything here right away. There's only 2 cases left though. Melody case. Oh my god, this is not looking good. IOP, please, last case. Okay, we didn't see a single spin. We just wasted 221 coins. We don't even win this. Let's do 25-25 here. Maybe we can hit a quick spin. No, we cannot. Okay, we need to take it chill now. We are 3 minutes into the video, already lost 300 coins. That's 100 coins per minute. Come on, we need this rain spin. Nope, now we just need to see spins on the right. We can't hit a single time, because if we hit, we are done. Pretty good start actually. But we need more than this for this battle to pay. Okay, as for now this is really good. Now Rainbot 6 only needs to pull something. And I can't pull anything. Those has to be good, right? How much? That's almost 400. Okay, come on. Don't. Oh my god. Okay, we almost just lost there. Invisibility. Okay. If this keeps on going, we're gonna win. I can't hit anything now. Stop. No. Okay, we lost. Right guy needs to hit. How are those worth that much? Okay, it paid 431 coins. I mean, good start, but they need to hit as well now. That's like 300, I think. Yes, exactly 300. Bot 8 also needs one hit. We don't see a hit on him. It could be bad. Don't give me that. Okay, good. And he hits as well. Okay, this is good. Now only yellow needs to hit as well. And he does. Okay, wait. This is looking super good. Give him the karambit now. Give him the karambit. Okay, that's so bad. Okay, but keep on going like this. Don't give me any hits. 4 cases left, come on. Imagine the data case. No. Never hit in that case before. Okay. 2 cases left, come on. This is not even giving money back right now. Yeah, they have to hit on the last case. Hoops, come on. Okay, I mean, can we at least win this? Yeah, we do win. We're not gonna complain, but this is not even money back. We still lose money on that. Let's just run this once more. Come on. Okay, not a good start this time. And still no 1% tickets, come on. Okay, this is looking so bad. We need to see some spins now. Okay, I'm the one. Might as well be the karambit, come on. No, it's the fucking XM. Okay, we don't have a lot of chances left there. Three cases left. Don't do me like this, come on, give us something. Okay, that's good, that's super good. Now we just need a crazy hit in this one. Okay, that's good, it's a goal. How much? 400, okay. Last case, hit on number 6 as well. Okay, it baits. We have 60%, come on. Okay, that's us. That's us again. Now we even made a bit of money. There are 15 cases, we need to win this one, come on. We have still not seen a 1% ticket yet. Show us the spin now. No, come on. Global. Where are the tickets? Come on. We're not hitting. We are not hitting, come on. 6 cases. I mean, at least it's a hit. Don't like that it's on our side though. And it's not even a gold. That's only 100 coins. Okay, we're done half the battle. If we don't see some hits now. Oh shit, this is looking so bad. We're down to the last 5 cases. Where are the spins? How can it be this dry? Okay. At least that's a spin. We need to see a gold here though. If we don't see a gold, Okay, 800 coins, we take it. Still need more spins than this though. Okay, we need much more than this. Freezer. Ah. Hey, it's good for a percentage, but fuck. I'm pretty sure we lost. No, we won. Okay, almost money back. Now we have a lot of chances of hitting something. But it's these 1% cases that we really want to see a hit on. Just any hit on these, and it's almost money back instantly. But that's not gonna happen today, it seems like. Come on, just any hits now. Don't be this dry. King G, just give us his crown foil. No. You usually see the crown foil. Come on. I mean, we're done 8 cases, we're not seeing the spins. Okay. Okay, double spin on the bonk swag. A Medusa now would be good. Okay, masterpiece, that's 600 at least. 300, it's the wrong one. That's not even that good. It has paid for one spot. We need another 500 for money back. And we need purple to hit as well, because 50-50 we're not gonna win. 6 cases left, come on. Stop, no. It's not paying anything. Okay, our last chances. Okay. That's more like it. How much is this one? Is it also 300? 500, okay. Last case, BCX. I'm probably gonna hit this well now. On the 10%er, I know it. Okay, almost. Yeah, we should be winning this though. Yeah, we do. But it's not even money back. We lose money. We're just gonna do this instead. 6 cases on the all-in battle. Either this will bring us up or we will lose it all and end the video. We've been recording for 18 minutes, so I don't really care, but a win would be super nice. Okay, no 1% tickets. That's just not gonna happen today. Phoenix case. Okay. Spin on the Phoenix case. This could be big. Ah, but we only get a red. That's so ass. 500. Okay, and now the other team needs to hit. If 13 and 5 don't hit, we are fucked now. Come on. Somehow hit. No. Yeah, I think we're done. If I'm gonna be honest. No fucking way, he hits on that one as well. What's that? 2.5? 2.5k. Okay, somehow snipe this. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. 4k, fuck. Okay, but boys, that's it for today. We could have had 1.3k. Wouldn't been the craziest profit, but you never know what's gonna happen. Let me do this. Let me choose this. One last upgrade. That's not gonna hit for the 5k. But thank you so much for watching this video, boys. If you wanna play on Rain, please play under code Vaulty. Hit apply. If you do so, you join the 700 coin weekly leaderboard, and we will see you boys in the next video. Bye.